Imagine it's a normal morning on the production line. Machines humming, staff settling into their routines, and the day unfolding as planned. The air is filled with the familiar sounds of productivity, and everyone is focused on their tasks, ensuring that every detail meets the highest standards of quality and safety. Suddenly, the receptionist calls. 2 FDA inspectors have arrived in the lobby, unannounced. Their presence is official, and the atmosphere shifts instantly. This is the moment your team has prepared for, but it always feels unexpected. The next 5 minutes are critical. They set the tone for the entire inspection process. How you respond now will shape the inspector's first impressions and influence the course of the day. Calm, confidence, and coordination are essential. Greet the inspectors with professionalism and courtesy. Escort them promptly to a designated waiting area. Never leave them unattended, even for a moment. This demonstrates respect for their authority and shows you understand the importance of protocol. Politely verify their credentials, checking their identification badges and official documents. Request the FDA Form 482, the official notice of inspection, and review it carefully. This step is not just a formality, it's your first opportunity to establish a record of the inspection. While one person manages the inspectors, another team member should immediately notify the head of quality assurance. This triggers your inspection readiness plan, mobilizing key personnel and ensuring everyone knows their roles. Begin a detailed log. Record the inspectors' names, badge numbers, arrival time, and any other relevant details. Accurate documentation at this stage is crucial for compliance and future reference. Once credentials are confirmed, escort the inspectors to a prepared conference room, often called the front room for the inspection. This space should be clean, organized, and ready to host the inspection team comfortably. These first moments are about establishing control, professionalism, and readiness. By acting with confidence and clarity, you show the FDA that your facility is organized, compliant, and fully prepared for their review. With inspectors settled, it's time to activate your inspection response team. This team is crucial for ensuring a smooth and efficient inspection process. The first step is to gather your key personnel in a central location. This ensures everyone is on the same page and ready to respond promptly. Assign an escort from QA to stay with the inspectors, guide them, and take notes. This person acts as the main point of contact, ensuring inspectors have all the information they need. The Document Control Coordinator, or runner, operates from the war room, retrieving and logging requested documents. This role is vital for maintaining an organized flow of information. Subject matter experts, SMEs, are on call to answer technical questions. Never guess, bring in the right expert. Their expertise ensures accurate and reliable information is provided. Team rules: speak only when spoken to, answer only what's asked, and never speculate. This disciplined approach helps maintain clarity and focus during the inspection. If you don't know, say so and offer to find the answer. Honesty is key in building trust with the inspectors. This disciplined, honest approach builds trust and shows your commitment to quality. Transparency and integrity are essential in demonstrating your facility's dedication to compliance. Your team's coordination and accuracy are as important as their expertise. A well-coordinated team not only meets regulatory requirements, but also showcases the professionalism and reliability of your facility. The war room is your inspection nerve center, the place where your team comes together to coordinate every aspect of the inspection process. Here, every detail matters, and every document must be accounted for. This is where preparation meets execution, and where your readiness is truly put to the test. The war room is staffed by experienced document control professionals and a dedicated QA team, all working in sync to ensure nothing is missed. Their expertise is crucial for a smooth inspection. When an inspector requests a document, the team springs into action, locating, reviewing, and making copies of the exact document needed. One copy is provided to the inspector, while another is kept for your internal records, ensuring transparency and traceability throughout the process. Before the inspection even begins, QA should ensure that all essential documents, such as the quality manual, standard operating procedures, validation plans, and training records are meticulously organized and easily accessible. This level of preparation demonstrates your commitment to quality and compliance. During the inspection, provide only the documents and information specifically requested by the inspector. Avoid volunteering extra materials or explanations, as this can complicate the process. Oversharing can inadvertently open up new lines of questioning, potentially expanding the scope of the inspection and leading to unnecessary complications or delays. It's also important to avoid casual comments or offhand remarks during the inspection, as even innocent statements can trigger further scrutiny or raise new concerns. Stay focused, precise, and professional at all times. This disciplined approach helps keep the inspection on track and demonstrates your team's competence. Remember, the discipline and organization you show in document control are a direct reflection of your company's overall quality culture and commitment to regulatory compliance. Inspectors form first impressions during the facility walkthrough. Your facility should always be clean, organized, and well-maintained, no last-minute scrambles. Equipment must have current, visible calibration stickers. Out-of-calibration tools are a major red flag. Label everything accurately: raw materials, products, cleaning solutions, with clear status and lot numbers. Mislabeled or unlabeled items signal compliance risks. Daily practices, like real-time logbook entries and proper gowning, should be routine, not just for inspections. Consistent readiness shows your commitment to CGMP and quality. Communication with inspectors is a skill. Be brief, accurate, and honest. Listen carefully, answer only what's asked, and never volunteer extra information. If you don't know an answer, say so, and offer to find the right person or document. Let the designated spokesperson or SME respond. Avoid multiple people answering at once. Stay calm and professional, even under tough questioning. Treat inspectors with respect. They're there to ensure patient safety. Maintain a professional boundary. This is an audit, not a casual conversation. Your attitude and discipline can make the inspection smoother for everyone. As the inspection ends, listen carefully to any observations or deficiencies. Don't argue. Ask clarifying questions to fully understand the issues. Show immediate corrective action when possible. Document everything. At the closeout meeting, review each observation with your senior team and commit to a formal written response. After inspectors leave, submit a thorough response within 15 business days, detailing investigations, corrective actions, and preventive measures. This is your final chance to show the FDA your commitment to compliance and patient safety. A strong, timely response demonstrates you're a responsible manufacturer.